Welcome back to the channel again, guys. Today we'll be building a gaming PC for our local rapper, songwriter and producer MeerFly. In fact, I've already done building it. It's currently hiding behind the black cloth and I will be bringing it to the man himself to unveil it later. Right now, let's take a look at the parts that we use for the build. For CPU, we will be using the Intel 11th Gen Core i7 11700K pairing with the Asus ROG Strix Z590E gaming Wi-Fi motherboard. This motherboard has 14+2 power stages with Pro Cool 2 power connector, high quality alloy chokes and durable capacitors to support multi-core processors like the 11700K. The thermal design is also optimized with aluminium VRM and I/O heatsink, including an additional M.2 backplate for improved cooling for the PCIe Gen 4 M.2 slot. For memory, we will be using V-Color's latest Prism Pro RGB 16GB kit. To cool the CPU, we will be using Cooler Master's Master Liquid ML360 Illusion AIO. Storage-wise, we will be using the Crucial P5 M.2 NVMe drive with a capacity of 500GB. Asus also provided the ROG Strix gaming graphics card, which is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060. The 2.7 slot design of this card expands cooling surface area to make the most of the three powerful Axial Tech fans. And of course, the all-new Ampere streaming multiprocessor brings 2 times the FP32 throughput and improved power efficiency. The entire system will be powered by the Cooler Master MWE 1050W Gold V2 fully modular power supply. And last but not least, this gaming PC will live in the Cooler Master Mastercase H500P Mesh ATX case. Alright, enough of me talking, let's get building.
Thank you to Cooler Master and Asus for the PC. Now I can make music without any lags.
And there you have it. The setup for MeerFly is done. Thank you Cooler Master and Asus for this opportunity for me to build this PC for MeerFly. I hope you like your PC and the setup.
Love it.
And I hope you guys at home likes it too. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys again in the next video. Bye!